Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to our first morning of distance learning. Today is Monday, March 30th, day one of distance learning. I know this isn't the way we planned on meeting this morning to have morning meeting, but I am really excited about today. We've prepared a lot of cool things for you guys to be learning while at home, and hopefully it's a good experience for all of us. I have a morning message for you guys that I'll be sharing every morning that you'll see here on the screen in the center. And then also in the corner here where it says today's day, there'll often be a list of things that you need to remember to do. So for example, today you need to check in on Seesaw to answer the morning meeting question. This is how I will be taking attendance every day. And I will be taking daily attendance Monday through Friday. And reporting it back to Lincoln Center the office. So make sure you're checking in on Seesaw every day, answering that question. That way I can know who is here. The second thing you're going to need to do today is watch a couple of videos. There's one that you'll see about how to navigate Seesaw. I know we've been using it together, but throughout the year, but not quite in the way we'll be using it for distance learning. So make sure you watch the video on how to navigate Seesaw. There will also be a video in your daily lesson slideshow on what is distance learning. And it's kind of going to go over some of the expectations for what my job will be and what your job will be during this time. So that gives a lot of information about what distance learning will look like and some of the expectations we will have for each other. And then the last thing you need to do is complete Monday's learning. The fifth grade team and I put together a slideshow of some reading exercises, some math, and some social emotional thinking and learning that you can be doing. And that's for today. So anything that's on there you'll need to read, watch, listen to, or respond to. And then tomorrow you'll do it all over again with Seesaw and a daily lesson slide. So make sure every morning you come here and check out this morning message. I'll record a video. We'll read the message to you, and you can read it with me if you are when you start to watch this. Check the to-do list in the corner, and then take note of the sharing question that is being posted today. So today's question is, what is something you do that makes you happy? And for me to answer that question, something that makes me really happy is teaching. Whether it's in class, in person, that's my favorite way to do it. But even doing this distance learning has just taught me how much I value my job and how much I love being a teacher. And it also reminded me that the thing that makes me the happiest about teaching is being with kids. So I'm hopeful that during this, we will be able to find a way to be with each other, even though we are not completely together. So I'm going to start by reading the message. And if you would like to, you can read along with me when you're watching this. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. Good morning, friends. Today is our first day of distance learning. I am so happy to see you all again, and I thank you for being so flexible during this time. Although we are not together, we have a great opportunity to build an online community and continue the great learning we have started. I am still here to teach and support you every day. Today, you will learn about your responsibilities during distance learning. You will listen to a read aloud about problems and opportunities and independently read. In math, you will complete some review before we begin our next unit of geometry. You will also begin your inquiry summative assessment and have your first distance PE class. Work hard, stay curious, and reach out if you need anything. I can't wait to see what courageous thinkers you will be today. Love, Mrs. Ryan. All right, friends, head over to Seesaw again and keep watching some of the slideshows and our lessons for the day. And be sure to reach out if you have any questions. Make today awesome.